Hey. About this thing.
My former organ girlfriend. I know very well, Madam Jessica. She could show us Pepe very soon. No man said she act like this. She could show us Pepe. Down.
You know, I suspected that the first day she entered this shop, everything about her was just so seductive.
So my dear, I hope you have fun.
Yes, I had fun. No, I didn't know you were this smooth and calm. I had fun.
You have not known me well.
Maybe.
So, tell me, what do you think about this place?
This place is nice, perfect location and everything, but the flow of customers is slow. I was expecting this place to be bubbling and all those things, with the decor and everything. It's supposed to be, happy, but it's not. It's too quiet.
I see. Well, today is Monday. Business in Amari door.
I know it's Monday, but there are some salons you go to, even on Sundays. Place is hot, customers are flowing. Please know what to do. See to it that this place is,
You know what?
What?
I'm going to make you the manager of this place.
Are you serious?
Yeah, trust me.
Me?
Yeah.
That one is perfect. I'm sorry, good. That one is good though.
Serious?
Hey, manager. Don't worry. I will manage all this place well. Our customers will be flowing like water.
You know what?
Good though.
It's time for introduction. Let me just go.
Hey, now. Now. Me manager.
Hey! Auntie Jessica! Come
I bought something for you.
Thank you! Thank you! I love you so much! Oh, thank you! I love you! Thank you! Again now. Come, what have you been since morning?